In this video, I will walk you through the various product categories offered by PowerPro Genius to see how they stack up against standard home utility options. When we compare these gadgets to traditional appliances, the main trade-off is often between centralized infrastructure and portable, smart efficiency. For example, their flagship, electricity optimization device, is positioned as a way to lower consumption through advanced innovation, contrasting with the high costs of unoptimized home power. While typical space heaters can be slow and energy-heavy, the PowerPro Genius heater features rapid heating technology, designed to provide instant warmth without the usual wait time. The site also highlights a significant focus on eco-friendly solutions, prioritizing sustainable materials that aim to make a home greener and safer over the long term. You will also find a range of connectivity tools, like their Wi-Fi extender, which is specifically designed to eliminate dead zones that standard routers might miss, ensuring stable coverage for streaming and gaming. From the $49 electricity optimizer to the $24 magnetic wireless fast charger, the brand emphasizes cost savings through a 60-day risk-free guarantee. Whether you are looking for smart heating solutions or charging and connectivity tech, this review explores how these products aim to balance performance with a reduced environmental footprint. It is an interesting mix of energy efficiency and modern home convenience, designed to adapt to your specific lifestyle needs. If you found this comparison helpful for your home setup, please like the video and subscribe for more tech reviews. Let me know in the comments which of these energy-saving gadgets you would try first.